3 M cars that will drain your bank account. 4 that'll make you a legend at every Cars and Coffee you pull into. I'm Hank, and I've been wrenching on cars for over 20 years. Welcome to SUV Hype. Today we're cutting through the M badge hype and getting to the truth. Because buying the wrong M car isn't just embarrassing, it's expensive. Worst first. Worst number 3, BMW M8 2020 and 2022 model years. 617 horsepower, 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. On paper, the M8 Competition is the ultimate grand tourer. In reality, 2 model years have been a headache factory. The 2020 M8, particularly builds produced before December 2019, had a documented AC system failure. Owners reported the car blowing hot air or fluctuating temperatures based on engine RPM. In the worst cases, the entire AC system needed replacement. Add electrical gremlins and software instability across the board. The 2022 M8 Grand Coupe brought rough idling from failing ignition coils and spark plug failures. Some owners also reported a collision avoidance fault that made the car randomly swerve left, triggered by a faulty rear radar sensor. Dealers struggled to replicate and fix it consistently. Here's the trap. The M8 depreciates hard. A 2022 Competition that cost $143,000 new now sits at $70,000 to $95,000 used. Looks like a deal until the V8 maintenance bills arrive. Best years to buy, 2023 and later. BMW resolved the major bugs and updated iDrive to 8.0. The 2021 is also solid. Retail price used, 2022 Competition, $70,000 to $95,000. Budget a repair fund on top. Key takeaway, never buy a 2020 or 2022 M8 without a full pre-purchase inspection. The upfront savings won't cover what's waiting. Worst number 2, BMW F80 M3 and F82 M4 2014 to 2018 S55 Engine. This one hurts. The F80 M3 and F82 M4 are genuinely iconic. The S55 sounds incredible and pulls hard all the way to redline, but post-warranty, they're a time bomb for the uninformed buyer. First landmine, crank hub failure on 2014 and 2015 cars. The factory press-fit hub used subpar metal that wore underload, causing the timing chain to slip. BMW issued an extended warranty for affected cars, but coverage ended at 50,000 miles. Most of these cars are past that now. Proactive replacement runs around $1,500. Ignore it, and you're looking at a full engine rebuild. Second landmine, the intercooler leak. OEM plastic charge pipes split with age, allowing coolant into the intake system. One independent BMW shop documented an F80 M3 at 85,000 miles that suffered catastrophic engine damage from exactly this failure and needed a full replacement engine. Upgraded aluminum charge pipes cost $800 to $2,500 installed, non-negotiable on any high-mileage S55. Add valve cover gasket leaks past 60,000 miles, turbo wastegate rattle, and DCT mechatronic failures. An oil pan gasket job at a dealer runs $4,500. These costs stack fast. The hard truth, F82 M4s in the $30,000 to $40,000 range look irresistible. That price is a warning, not a deal. You're buying someone else's deferred maintenance. Retail price used, $28,000 to $48,000. Always get a specialist inspection. Key takeaway, budget $3,000 to $5,000 for immediate preventative maintenance on any S55. Crank hub, charge pipes, and fluid services are not optional. Worst number 1, BMW M5 G90 PHEV, 2024 to 2026. Here it is, the one that'll make M fans angry. The G90 M5 makes 717 horsepower from a twin-turbo V8 paired with an electric motor, 0 to 60 in 3.0 seconds. It is a legitimate super sedan. It is also the M model I would least want to own out of warranty. The plug-in hybrid system adds roughly 880 pounds to the car. Total curb weight, nearly 5,400 pounds. For a sports sedan, every tire, brake rotor, and wheel bearing is working harder than it should be. After 4,000 miles of real-world testing, the G90's ride over sharp bumps was described as firm to the point of harsh, a stiffness that undermines the $120,000 plus price tag. The powertrain complexity is the real problem. An 18.6 kilowatt-hour high-voltage battery, a synchronous electric motor integrated into the 8-speed automatic, twin turbos, and the V8, all requiring specialist tools to service. The transition from electric to combustion power is not always seamless, particularly in cold weather. And the critical point, nobody knows what PHEV high-voltage repairs cost at 80,000 or 100,000 miles on this car. Battery degradation, electric motor servicing, hybrid system diagnostics, uncharted territory. You're a beta tester with a six-figure car. Retail price 2026, starting around $120,000. Used 2024, $95,000 to $110,000. Key takeaway, lease the G90 M5. Enjoy every second of it. Hand it back before the warranty expires. Do not buy this car to keep past 50,000 miles. Best number 4, BMW M2 G87, 2023 to 2026. Now the good stuff. The G87 M2 starts at $69,375 for 2026. 473 horsepower from the S58 twin-turbo inline-six, the same engine in the current M3 and M4. 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds with the automatic, 4.3 with the standard 6-speed manual. Rear-wheel drive only, no hybrid, no weight penalty. The S58 earned a spot on Ward's World's 10 Best Engines list in 2023. Its closed-deck block and twin-scroll turbos are a major step forward from the S55. TrueCar confirmed reliability has been solid across S58-powered models. For 2026, BMW added the M2 CS, 523 horsepower, track-tuned suspension, 100 pounds lighter. If you're a canyon carver, that's your spec. What to watch? Water pump and thermostat around 100,000 miles, $800 to $1,500 all in. Valve cover gasket seepage is manageable. Keep your oil changes tight. Retail price, new from $69,375, used 2023. M2, $55,000 to $65,000. Key takeaway, the M2 is the most honest M car BMW makes. Pure, simple, and built around the right engine. Best number 3, BMW M4. Competition xDrive, G82 2021 to 2026. 503 horsepower, S58 engine, ZEF 8-speed automatic. Edmunds tested the Competition xDrive at 3.2 seconds to 60 miles per hour, beating most cars under $100,000 on the planet. iSeeCars analyzed over 12 million vehicles and ranked the M4 as the second most reliable BMW model overall. The S58 and ZF8 combination is the strongest powertrain pairing BMW M currently offers. xDrive can be configured to send full power to the rear when conditions allow. All-weather traction without sacrificing M-car playfulness. What to watch? ZF8, fluid service at 60,000 to 80,000 miles. Water pump at 100,000 miles. Confirm service history on any used example. Retail price, new Competition xDrive from around $90,000. Used 2021 to 2023, $60,000 to $78,000. Key takeaway, if the M2 is too small and the M3 feels too practical, the M4 Competition xDrive is the sweet spot of the entire M lineup. Best number 2, BMW M3. Competition xDrive, G80 2021 to 2026. Everything the M4 does. Same S58, same 523 horsepower, same 3.2-second 0 to 60, but with a real back seat and a usable trunk. Kelley Blue Book puts the 2026 M3 in the top 10% for 5-year cost to own among all luxury cars. US News ranked it one of the best luxury midsize cars on sale. The base M3 starts at $78,400 with 473 horsepower and a 6-speed manual, one of the last performance sedans on Earth offering that combination. Target 2022 in later builds. Early 2021 cars had minor software and fit and finish complaints. BMW sorted through the model run. Retail price, base from $78,400. Used 2021 G80, $52,000 to $65,000. Key takeaway, the G80 M3 is the most complete M car in the lineup. Track weapon, daily driver, and road trip machine, all without drama. Best number 1, S58 manual. Buy it, keep it. The single best BMW M model to own past 100,000 miles is the G80 M3 or G82 M4 with the S58 and 6-speed manual. No mechatronic module to fail, no hybrid battery pack, no dual clutch complexity. Just the best engine BMW M makes in the simplest configuration they offer. Simple is reliable. Reliable is peace of mind. Every gear change is yours. You feel the engine, you know the car. Cheat sheet. Engines to own. S58, M2, M3, M4 from 2021 onward. Proven and long-lived. Engines to watch. S55 in the F80/F82. Inspect crank hub, charge pipes, and intercooler before buying. PHEV M cars. Lease only. Too complex and too unknown post-warranty. Transmission for longevity, 6-speed manual. Less to fail, more fun per mile. Years to target, G80/G82 from 2022, G87, M2 from 2023, M8 from 2023 if you must. Always get a pre-purchase inspection from a BMW specialist, not a general shop. These engines reward maintenance and punish neglect fast. 3 traps, 4 legends. Drop your M car, mileage, and biggest repair bill in the comments. Best story gets pinned. M2 or M3? Manual or automatic? Tell me below. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.